Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Today we're going to talk about how to find a profitable niche for your business. As they say, there is nothing new under the sun, which is regrettably accurate. Many newly established companies squander time looking in vain for their one lucrative niche that has yet to be discovered. Creating the wheel is unnecessary. You only need to identify a lucrative niche. And this is how to identify a profitable niche for your business. High demand. Pick a market niche with significant demand. This indicates a high level of involvement. People are actively discussing it and looking for answers on the internet. One indication that you have a strong niche is if you notice social media groups discussing it. These groups can also advertise your goods or services and gain insight into your target market. Empower yourself with the knowledge and clarity to confidently embark on your entrepreneurial journey through our transformative step-by-step guide to starting your own business course by clicking the link given in description. And yes folks, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you can keep receiving new videos to enhance your knowledge. Thank you for watching.